Attention citizens of the world. This is anonymous. Rich American have conspired to spread misinformation about an extremely versatile plant, if used properly, would ruin their companies, oil companies, alcohol, tobacco industries, and a large number of chemical corporations. Because of some rich and important man, like Hoover's Secretary of the Treasury and DuPont's, hemp was declared dangerous and a threat to their billion-dollar enterprises. Hemp had to go. These men took an obscure Mexican slang word, marijuana, and pushed it into the consciousness of America. Films like Reefer Madness, 1936, and Marijuana, The Devil's Weed, were propaganda designed by these industrialists to create an enemy. Their purpose was to gain public support, so that anti-marijuana laws could be passed. In September of 1937, hemp became illegal. The most full crop known became a drug, and our planet has been suffering ever since. Earth is suffocating, and the rainforests disappear. Pollution, poisons and chemicals are killing people. These great problems could be reversed if we industrialized hemp. Natural biomass could provide all of the planet's energy needs, and are currently supplied by fossil fuels. We have consumed 80% of our oil and gas reserves. We need a renewable resource. Government studies report that 1 acre of hemp equals 4.1 acres of trees. The plant grows quickly to maturity in a season, where trees take a lifetime. The seeds contain one of the highest sources of protein in nature. Cannabis is not harmful to the human body or mind. We fight for freedom of expression. Censorship will not be tolerated. Share the truth. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.